Welcome to TikFlow RPA. Let's start our RPA trip. Now you are looking at the main interface of TikFlow RPA platform. Click the New button and select either PC or Android automation. Your workflow application will be created. Now there are 7 panels in Visual Designer: Command, Editor, Information, Elements, Navigator, Global Variable, and Toolbar. Now we are going to set up a simple workflow. You may launch the built-in web browser by clicking the Browser button in the toolbar. Playground, TikFlow RPA, TikFlow provides everyone a playground to practice RPA. For this demonstration, we are going to extract data from the order management page. Since this demonstration is automating a web page, we need to look for the command. From Web Automation menu, firstly, we need the command get open web page. Then, choose your web browser. Select Match by, activate it. Secondly, go to Data Extract menu, drag the drop command Batch Data Extract. Click the Data Extract button, then click the Start Extracting button to select the data you want to get. Hold your Control button and click. The table will be automatically collected and press Done to complete setup. Now run the workflow. After execution, you should be able to find the result in the data table. There are a lot more automating tasks waiting for you to discover. If you want to learn more about TikFlow RPA, please go to the tutorial section in the admin interface. Thank you for watching. TikFlow, a tool is made for everyone.